If you've installed Bocad in various languages, then you would like to switch from one language or one environment to another, or you would like to switch from one configuration to another, you have to do this through the admin, where we can find an activate option. The latest activated release will be displayed there. That's the one I want to take. And here we see the currently activated client folder, or company settings, if I can call them like this. These have been set up right now anyway for an English Imperial environment. And for now, I'd like to switch to a metric environment. So I would also recommend having a separate client for this. I will just add an M behind this, and the folder will be created. An empty folder with that name will be created to be used. Projects would also be set in a different folder, preferably. I'm being asked if this is correct. I'm being asked one more time to enter this folder name because the folder this very first time has to be created. And then the last question that pops up, as you can see here, I have various languages or environments installed, and I would like to go to English, meaning English metric, only activate Bocad Steel, apply, and the icon will be created on the desktop. As soon as I start this up, we can see we are in EN English environment. If now I desire to go back to the Imperial environment, again I go to the admin, activate, same release, and this time we'll switch back to the original in the original client folder. I'll just remove the M, apply, project folder, again I'll remove the M. Is this correct? Yes, it is. And this time I will say I want to move over back to US English for Bocad Steel, apply. And as soon as I start up, I will see on top of the screen here again that we are in a US environment, meaning Imperial environment.